Applying for a tax refund can sometimes feel like waiting for rain in the desert. I know the feeling, having twiddled my thumbs until discovering TurboTax's Refund Advance program, a service offering instant access to your tax refund even before IRS approval. This video will be your map through the process of getting a cash advance from TurboTax, so you no longer need to endure that agonizing wait. Ready to fast-track your finances? Let's dive in. What is TurboTax Refund Advance? TurboTax Refund Advance is a tax-time financial product that allows you to get your refund faster. It's an interest-free, 0% APR loan offered by Intuit TurboTax in partnership with First Century Bank, N.A., member FDIC, and MVB Bank, Incorporated, member FDIC. Upon IRS return acceptance of your e-filed federal return, you can access part of your anticipated refund via this service. Unlike personal loans or peer-to-peer loans with credit score requirements and possible long-term debt implications, TurboTax Refund Advance offers a swift solution without any additional fees or interest charges. Simply put, it's an early bird option for those eager to tap into their tax refunds earlier than usual. How TurboTax Refund Advance works. When it comes to getting a cash advance on your tax refund, TurboTax Refund Advance makes the process simple and convenient. With a fully online application, you can easily apply for the advance and receive an instant decision. Fully online application. Applying for a TurboTax Refund Advance can be handled entirely online, making it an immensely convenient tool compared to traditional cash advance methods. Here's how. Visit the TurboTax website and select your desired tax return filing option. Confirm that you meet the eligibility requirements for the refund advance. Enter all necessary tax information accurately. File your federal return using TurboTax. Be sure to opt for the TurboTax Refund Advance in the refund options. Await IRS return acceptance. This typically happens within 48 hours of e-filing. Once approved, you'll receive an email from TurboTax about your loan approval and amount that you are eligible for. Choose either direct deposit to your checking account or get access via physical or virtual debit card, Credit Karma Visa debit card. If opting for a debit card, activate it upon receipt and enjoy ATM transactions free of charges. Eligibility criteria for TurboTax Refund Advance. To be eligible for TurboTax Refund Advance, there are certain requirements you need to meet. Here's what you need to know. You must have a federal refund of $500 or more. You need to file your taxes with TurboTax. You must be at least 18 years old. You should not be filing certain specific forms that may affect eligibility. How to apply for TurboTax Refund Advance. To apply for TurboTax Refund Advance and get fast access to your cash advance, follow these simple steps. Choose TurboTax Refund Advance as your refund option when filing your taxes with TurboTax. Open a checking account with Credit Karma Money, a partner of TurboTax, if you don't already have one. Finish filing your taxes and submit your e-filed federal return to the IRS. Wait for IRS return acceptance. Once accepted, you'll be notified if you're eligible for a refund advance. If approved for TurboTax Refund Advance, the loan amount will be determined based on your federal refund amount, personal information, tax information, and other third-party data. Access the funds through your Credit Karma Money virtual debit card immediately after approval. The remaining amount of your refund, after deducting the TurboTax Refund Advance and any other TurboTax fees, will be deposited into your Credit Karma Money checking account. Benefits of TurboTax Refund Advance. Get your cash faster with TurboTax Refund Advance, no credit impact, and skip the wait for your refund. No credit impact. Getting a cash advance from TurboTax Refund Advance won't have any negative impact on your credit. This means you can apply for the advance without worrying about it affecting your credit score or future financial decisions. Getting a cash advance from TurboTax is a simple and convenient way to access your tax refund early. With TurboTax Refund Advance, you can receive the cash instantly without any loan fees or interest charges. By choosing Refund Advance as your refund option and opening a checking account with Credit Karma Money, you can skip the wait and have immediate access to your funds through a virtual debit card. Don't let waiting for your refund hold you back. Get the financial support you need with TurboTax Refund Advance today.